Hi, it's Leah Crow with the Clear Scraps Creating Made Easy Kit Club with the March kit. Today I'm showing you how I make this cute shamrock shaker. I start off by cutting out a 3x4 journaling card, and I painted these little shamrocks off camera in a green paint. I'm going to adhere this journaling card to the background chipboard shape. I turn this over and mark in pen on the back of the paper so I know where to adhere the glue at so I can adhere the chipboard to the paper. After I get this stuck down really well, I come in with my craft knife and go ahead and cut away the excess paper. Some of this glue is seeping out the edge a little bit so it gets stuck, so be careful pulling off any of the excess paper away that has glue on it. After we finish this up, it's now time to add 2 of the shamrock cutout shapes. And I just adhere these using my Beacon's 3-in-1 glue. Really quickly, I decide on a sticker from the background called My Lucky Charm. I'm going to place that right on the background right there. And now I just follow a small bead of glue all the way around the chipboard cutout, making sure there's no glue, those little glue strings running along the inside of the shamrock shape. I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. And then you can go ahead and grab any sequins, glitter, anything, little buttons that'll fit inside of the chipboard shape there and add on to the inside. It's a fun little shaker to play with. Once you finish adding in your sequins or glitter, it's time to add the clear acrylic shape. You need to peel off the protective film from the back side, and then go ahead and add your bead of glue around the edge there, as you can see, and then apply a small amount of pressure around the edge to make sure the acrylic seals in the glitter really well. That way none leaks out. Then just peel off the next protective film and add your top cutout shape. Next, I would be adhering this cute little shamrock shaker to a strip of paper from the kit, marked at 4¼ by 11, which folded in half is a standard size card. I'd adhere that down really well and add in another sticker from the Simple Stories line and a couple hearts, and it's done. Thanks so much for stopping in with us today, and make sure you check out that March 2018 kit with Clear Scraps Creating Made Easy Kit Club. Thank you.